Make a great choice today with the 2018 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, lane departure warning, power lift gate, power passenger seat, remote engine start, tow hitch, navigation system, traction control, backup camera, stability control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.